Taxonomy. Earth has got large number of organisms and we can name few of them like a cat, giraffe, deer, lion, elephant, few birds, plants, trees and so on. But it's not very easy to study the properties of each and every organism living in Earth. Hence, a system of classification needs to be known because otherwise it's going to be a difficult task. Classification is based on categories. For example, when you need to classify people based on their eating habits, we can classify them as three: a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, and a negitarian. Similarly, for classifying plants and animals, we have got various characteristics, and that's how they are classified. Now, this system of classification is known as taxonomy, and it's been brought forward by the father of taxonomy known as Carl Linnaeus. He proposed taxonomy classification, and this system is known as Linnaean system. It has got separately the plant taxonomy and animal taxonomy. Now, taxonomy is a science that deals with naming, describing, and classification of all living organisms, and each of the characteristics is known as taxon, and in plural form, they are known as taxa. So taxa is based or it's arranged in hierarchy from domain to species. That is, the largest group is known as the domain, which has got millions and billions of organisms, and from there it goes to different stages like kingdom, phyla, class, order, family, genus, and species. As it moves from the highest to the lowest, it becomes more and more specific. And similarly, the number of organisms also decreases from the domain to species. Now, to learn it in an easy way, let's have a small mnemonic. Does King Potter come over for good soup? Does means domain, king, kingdom, Potter, phylum, come, class, over, order, for, family, good is genus, and soup is species. Now, what is a domain? All organisms are classified here based on their cell types and organisms. It's divided into three: archaea, bacteria, and eukaryotes. Eukaryotes are the ones with different cell types, that is, it has got its own nucleus with a cell membrane and it has organelles. Kingdom: Eubacteria, Archaebacteria, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, and Animalia. There are 6 kingdoms. Phylum is another group. Each of these kingdoms has got phylums. For example, Animalia is mainly divided into chordates or non-chordates. Chordates are all animals those have backbone. From the phylum, it moves to class. In class, we have an example like all animals who have backbone are classified as a mammal, and mammals are those which are animals with backbones and have hair in their body and they produce milk. So they comes under class. Remember, all kingdoms has got separate phylas and all phylas has got separate classes. Similarly, it goes to each stage. Order. For example, some classification based on eating habits of an organism. All carnivora has a meat-eating characteristics. So they comes under carnivora group. So that is an order. In the order, we have herbivora who are plant-eating animals. Similarly, omnivora who are both eating animals, plants as well as animals. Coming to family, it is coming after order. There are many families for each categories or each orders. For example, family Canidae and family Felidae. Canidae is for dogs and Felidae is for cats. And genus is from the family, it is further classified as genus, where they can be wild group of animals or domestic group of animals. And from there, it moves to specific organism. For example, if you move to taxonomy of a dog, then what is the domain? Domain is eukaryotes, that is, a dog has a separate nucleus which has a cell membrane. The next kingdom will be Animalia because dog lives in among animals and it is from the kingdom Animalia. Then it has a definite backbone, so they will come under phylum Chordata. And it is a class of mammal because it produces milk, it gives birth to babies, and its body is covered with hair. Coming to order, what is the order? Order is Carnivora because they are meat eating animals and they have got sharp teeth to tear the meat. So, all animals coming under this category will be under order Carnivora. Family, what is the family of a dog? It is Canidae. That is all animals who are coming under the family Canidae will grouped here. For example, wolf, jackals, and dog comes under family Canidae. But more specifically, the genus is Canis. So the Canis has wolf and a dog. But much more specifically, in the species, they are known as familiaris, and it includes only dogs, maybe a domestic or a wild dog. Now coming to taxonomy of cat. What is the domain? It is eukaryotes, and the kingdom is Animalia, phylum is Chordata, class Mammalia, order they are carnivorous, same like dogs, but their family is Felidae, and their genus is Felis, and species is Catus. Hope you understood. Thank you.